Is he so funny?
Yeah.
Carter, go get him. Go get him. Oh, that's
You
nice.
sharing? Yeah.
Oh, what's wrong? Go get Roman. Hi. Hi, Roman.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi, Uncle Jim. Can you say hi, Uncle Jim?
Hi, Jim.
Yeah.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Yeah,
Say I love you.
I love you.
Where
Oh,
is
that's
Uncle Jim?
nice.
Where's Uncle Jim?
Aw.
I wasn't on the action. Where's Uncle Jim?
I think it's the balloon.
Okay.
It's kind of odd
Can you go
since...
put the balloon over there on the floor? Roman. Can you go put the balloon?
That's so nice. Here, can I have that, Roman? Can I have that? Thank you.
Carter likes
There. It's gone. It's gone. He's like,
the balloon.
oh.
Our song.
Can you sing VeggieTales?
No.
No.
No? Okay.
How about if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Ooh, that's a good one. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Jim.
Yeah, we're gonna send that to Jim. Where is Jim?
Iraq.
Yeah, very good.
And you pray for him all the time, don't you? Lots of blankets.
Go
Should we
get
make a
him.
house for Carter to play in? Huh? Should we make a house?
Go get Roman,
Here it
Carter.
is. Oops, that's Carter. Just give it to Carter. That's alright. Just set it on the floor right by him.
That's nice. Thank you.
Is that Roman so funny? He's so funny. Say hilarious.
Good job.
Good job. That was very nice, Roman. Here. I'll put Judah down by Chelsea and I'll make you guys a house.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh.
Oh. Okay. If you don't want him to have it, that's okay. We can share other things with him, okay? Alright. There should be another rug. Let's hold it up weird. Okay.
This is for understanding. That's it.
Carter's like perfect for me to stand on.
Beautiful.
Whoa.
Alright. You ready?
That
There
looks
you go.
so
Ta-da.
fun.
So look.
Oh, careful.
Daddy was a house.
There's your
Carter.
Ready for George to come visit you in your house? Here you go.
Aww.
What's the matter? Can you share with Carter? You let Carter have that one. You've got your blanket and Murphy. There you go. Good job. Thank you, Roman. Who's in your house? That's so funny. You want a pillow? So you can take a nap in your house?
What's harder?
Where's Carter? Where'd he go? That's so funny. Go back in your house now. You can take George in your house.
Carter, you should go in Roman's house.
Well, we can't play catch with the football. Not in the house. You get the softer balls. You can play catch with those.
Yeah.
Do you want me to find you a different one? Okay. Let me go find you. Oh. Cough, cough. Let me go find you a different one.
It sounded like you said cat. Oh, be careful, Roman. Very good.
Okay. Here we go. Put that one down. Hey. Whose is that? Can you tip it up the other way? There you go. Give it back to Carter. Or you can set it up here.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well,
Hey. You can share with Carter. Let him have that one.
Carter likes that
It's like,
ball.
yeah. You want to roll it? God bless you. Can you roll it? No. You can share with Carter. Once you sit down, you can roll it to each other. Yeah. Here you go. Now you get it. Roll it back to Carter.
You guys should play catch.
Look
Yeah.
at that. And Carter, roll it back to you. Carter, roll it back to you. You sit down. There you go.
There.
Yeah. He's like, I need to dominate the rolling, apparently.
Oh, we got both of them now.
Okay. Roll it to Carter. Roll the blue one to Carter. Yeah, get it. Put it away. Roll it. Oh, you threw it right over his head. Bounce it.
So close.
Yeah, good job, Carter. Good job, Carter. You gonna go tonight? Take a little nappy in your house?
Night, night, Roman.
Oh, that's so nice. Good night. Good night. Oh, big cough. Yeah, that was a big cough.
It's about to shut off.